Becoming a content creator involves a mix of creativity, consistency, and strategy. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Identify your niche, passion, and expertise. Choose a niche that you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. This could be anything from tech reviews, gaming, beauty, fitness, education, or lifestyle. Audience demand. Research what content people are searching for within your chosen niche. Tools like Google Trends and YouTube search bar can help. 2. Create a brand. Unique identity. Develop a unique style or voice that sets you apart from others. This includes your content style, tone, and visual branding. Logo, colors, fonts. Consistent name. Use a consistent name or handle across all platforms: YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, etc., to make it easy for people to find you. 3. Plan your content. Content calendar. Plan your content in advance to stay consistent. Decide how often you'll post and stick to that schedule. Content mix. Offer a mix of content: tutorials, reviews, vlogs, etc., to keep your audience engaged. Quality over quantity. Focus on creating high-quality content rather than just pumping out videos. Good lighting, clear audio, and sharp visuals are key. 4. Start creating. Equipment. Use what you have, but aim for the best quality possible. A decent camera or smartphone, microphone, and editing software can go a long way. Script and storyboard. Plan your videos or posts by scripting or storyboarding. This helps keep your content focused and engaging. Editing. Learn basic editing skills to polish your videos or photos. Tools like Adobe Premiere, Final Cut Pro, or even apps like iMovie or Canva can be helpful. 5. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments. Interact with your audience by responding to comments and messages. Building a community is key to growth. Social media. Promote your content on social media platforms. Engage with other creators and your followers to increase your visibility. 6. Monetize your content. That revenue. Once you reach the required threshold, you can monetize your YouTube videos with ads, sponsorships, and collaborations. As your channel grows, brands may approach you for partnerships. Merchandise. Consider selling branded merchandise or digital products. Affiliate marketing. Promote products you love and earn a commission on sales through affiliate links. 7. Keep learning and adapting. Stay updated. The digital space is always evolving. Stay informed about the latest trends and algorithm changes. Analyze and improve. Regularly review your content's performance using analytics tools. Learn what works and what doesn't, and adapt your strategy accordingly. 8. Be patient and persistent. Growth takes time. Building an audience doesn't happen overnight. Stay consistent and patient, and don't get discouraged by slow growth. Keep evolving. Always look for ways to improve your content and adapt to your audience's needs. 9. Network with other creators. Collaborations. Work with other creators in your niche to reach new audiences. Learning. Attend webinars, join creator communities, and learn from others' experiences. 10. Protect your mental health balance. Create a work-life balance to avoid burnout. Remember, it's okay to take breaks. Positivity. Focus on the positive feedback and learn from constructive criticism, but don't let negativity get to you. By following these steps and staying true to your passion, you can build a successful career as a content creator. If you're enjoying the content, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more awesome videos. Your support means the world to me and helps the channel grow.